Alright, what's up everybody? Here we are Wednesday midweek again. We are getting started working and we have quite a bit of stuff here to coat. So we got last night this Bobcat attachment. Hi Bella. Hi baby. This Bobcat attachment all done. These guys are going to come pick that up. And first thing up on the list here is all of these three-wheeler parts, which are going to be a brown color. So we're gonna get started with those. We're gonna go from those to probably black, which we are, come on, whatever, black on these body mounts here. And we also have a few quad parts in the tub down here that got to be black. From there we will probably go to the next set of three-wheeler parts here, which is this frame, and I have two tubs. They have to be, actually, yeah, I have a tub of black, and then I have a tub of, and then I have a bunch of yellow pieces, and then from there, probably go to maybe a little ceramic coating today, but we'll see where we get to. So anyway, that's the game plan. Cue the time lapse, and here we go. Alright, what's up? It's Thursday here. Normally on Thursdays we would go to the blaster. However, making some adjustments, and we're actually on top of things, so we have everything blasted that we need. So we are coating again all day today. Also making some minor adjustments here. So basically, long story short, I'm, in a secure relationship. We have a 4-year-old daughter. And yeah, so need to have that family time mixed in there. This is like the work-life balance type deal that I'm working on. So instead of working late into the night, I am getting up in the morning now. So normally I would get up at about 7 and start my day by about 8:30. Now I'm getting up at 6 and starting the day by 7:15. So hopefully adjusting that to 5 o'clock, because I can get a bunch of work done in the morning, and then by the time I go to the gym, I'm all done for the day. So anyway, we have a bunch of racks of stuff prepped and ready to go. Gonna shoot black first here. So B-roll, time lapse, all of it's going, and we're off. Nothing I love better than redoing parts, but Sometimes it has to be done.